From hit dramas to viral moments, these Korean stars took over 2024. Let's dive into the top 10 trending celebrities of the year. 10. Kim Soo Hyun. A powerhouse in the K-drama world, Kim Soo Hyun had an extraordinary year with the success of TVN's Queen of Tears, a romance, business, and family slice of life drama that became a massive hit across Asia. His stellar performance alongside Kim Ji-won earned both actors multiple nominations and wins at the Asia Artist Awards 2024, cementing their Hallyu star status. Beyond acting, Kim Soo Hyun became a Prada brand ambassador in December 2024, adding another prestigious title to his name. His next big project, the crime-action thriller Knock Off, is highly anticipated and expected to showcase a more intense side of his acting. Best known for his legendary performances in My Love from the Star, Moon Embracing the Sun, and It's Okay to Not Be Okay, Kim Soo Hyun continues to set the bar high with his compelling roles. 9. Kim Tae-ri. Renowned for her captivating performances, Kim Tae-ri trended in 2024 thanks to her lead role in the webtoon-based drama Dong-yoon, The Star is Born. Playing an aspiring musician chasing her dreams, she delivered a moving and motivational performance that resonated deeply with audiences. Despite minor controversies surrounding the drama, her strong acting and emotional depth earned her multiple awards and widespread praise. Fans are now eagerly awaiting her next drama project, as she has a track record of choosing powerful female-led stories. From past hits like Mr. Sunshine in 25-21 to her latest role, Kim Tae-ri remains one of the most sought-after actresses in the industry. 8. Park Shin-hye. One of Korea's most beloved actresses, Park Shin-hye showcased her versatility in 2024 with two strikingly different roles in Dr. Slump, a romantic comedy where she played a doctor going through personal and professional struggles. Other drama The Judge from Hell, a fantasy thriller where she played a demonic judge delivering harsh justice to evildoers. Fans were thrilled to see her take on a darker, more intense role in The Judge from Hell, marking a departure from her usual sweet and romantic characters. Her next project, mystery romance drama Share Time, is currently in pre-production, generating buzz among K-drama lovers. 7. Lee Young-jae. After the global success of Squid Game in 2021, Lee Young-jae once again made headlines when Season 2 finally aired in late 2024. The long-awaited sequel dominated Netflix's top 10 globally, keeping audiences on edge with shocking twists and intense performances. With Squid Game fever reignited, Lee Young-jae's star power soared even higher. Looking ahead to 2025, he is set to lead the romantic comedy Mean Love, opposite Moon Ga-young, offering fans a different side of his acting. 6. Woo Do-hwan. Woo Do-hwan cemented his status as a rising star in 2024 with his lead role in the Netflix drama Mr. Plankton. The romantic comedy with deep emotional moments was a massive hit, drawing praise for Woo Do-hwan's nuanced performance and effortless chemistry with his co-stars. His ability to balance light-hearted moments with heartfelt drama proved why he continues to gain popularity. Fans won't have to wait long to see him again, as he is set to star in the 2025 action film Night Fever, where he will once again display his impressive fighting skills. Additionally, he has a guest role in the much-anticipated drama Knock Off, starring Kim Soo Hyun. 5. Yoo Yoon-seok. Yoo Yoon-seok, one of Korea's most versatile actors, made headlines in 2024 with his gripping performance in the highly anticipated drama When the Phone Rings. Known for his ability to seamlessly transition between romantic leads, intense thrillers, and heartwarming roles, Yoo Yoon-seok once again proved his acting prowess, captivating audiences and dominating trends throughout the year. Yoo Yoon-seok first gained recognition for his role in Reply 1994, where he won hearts as the charismatic yet vulnerable Chilbong. Since then, he has built an impressive career, starring in hit dramas such as Dr. Romantic, Mr. Sunshine, and Hospital Playlist. His ability to embody diverse characters, from warm-hearted doctors to complex antagonists, has made him one of the most respected actors in the Korean entertainment industry. 4. Byun Woo Seok. Byun Woo Seok became one of the biggest breakout stars of 2024 thanks to his unforgettable performance in the hit fantasy romance drama Lovely Runner. Playing Yoo Sanjae, a top idol with a tragic fate, he captured hearts worldwide, leading to an explosion in his global fanbase. His chemistry with co-star Kim Hae-yoon was so well loved that they won multiple Asia Artist Awards, including Best Couple. His role in Lovely Runner was so impactful that it even led to mass fan gatherings at airports across Asia, proving his rising Hallyu star power. Following his immense success, he landed a lead role in the 2025 MBC drama Wife of a 21st Century Prince, where he will star opposite Yoo in a modern take on a South Korean monarchy. 4. Park Min-young. Despite facing media controversy, Park Min-young made an incredible comeback in 2024 with the revenge thriller drama Marry My Husband, which became one of the year's most talked about series. Adapted from a popular webtoon, the drama received high ratings and reaffirmed her position as one of Korea's top romantic and melodrama actresses. Her performance in Marry My Husband was so impactful that she won the Daesang at the Asia Artist Awards, silencing critics and proving her enduring popularity. In addition to her K-drama success, Park Min-young expanded her reach internationally by starring in the Chinese historical drama The Braveness of Ming. Looking ahead, she is set to lead the heist drama The Confidence Man, KR, which is currently in pre-production. With her ability to portray strong, independent female leads, Park Min-young continues to be a dominant force in the industry. 2. Gong Yoo. The legendary Gong Yoo made a triumphant return to the small screen in 2024 with two high-profile projects. The Trunk Drama, a mystery romance drama that showcased his signature emotional depth, and Squid Game 2 drama reprising his role in Netflix's global hit series, which saw massive viewership numbers worldwide. Fans were thrilled to see him back in complex, gripping roles, proving once again why he is one of Korea's most respected actors. But the excitement doesn't stop there. Gong Yoo is set to star in a 2025 historical slice of life drama opposite Song Hye-kyo, a pairing that has already created major buzz among fans. 1. Ma Dong-seok. A powerhouse in action cinema, Ma Dong-seok, also known as Don Lee, was one of the most trending actors of 2024, both in Korea and internationally. While he made guest appearances in dramas like Team Bulldog and Tong Memories, the real buzz was around his lead role in the upcoming 2025 action fantasy K-drama 12, which is expected to be one of the biggest action dramas of the year. And that's a wrap. Who was your favorite star this year? Drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.